Park, New York. So I'm looking for some wild green onions and then some the other edible plants. I'm surrounded by very beautiful nature. Today weather is perfect. I have my Swiss Army knife. Let's see if I can find some edible stuff. I found wild green onions here. Bunch of wild green onions. See? Wow! I love it. See, I'm sitting right next to wild green onions. These guys are going to be in my basket soon. Smell this. And green onion smell. So this is root. Wow, large bulbs. So handsome looking. Smells so good. I'm done today. It's enough. I feel really dizzy a little bit because once I saw my just edible plants, I was going crazy. I kept cutting. Anyway, look at this. Mugwort and wild green onion. I'm going to make soup with mugwort, and then I'm going to make the kimchi maybe, kimchi or pancake with this wild green onions. I'm very happy. These ingredients, natural ingredients, precious ingredients that I got this. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make green onion pancake. So this is wild green onions. I'm going to make this kimchi later. Only one pancake. So let's see. This 4 or 5 inches length. And then let's make a batter. High heat. Half cup flour. Half cup water. Soybean paste instead of salt. Around 1 teaspoon. This sugar. Just 1 pinch. Vegetable oil generously. Okay, and then turn it over. Okay. Right after cooking and serve this. Let's taste it. It has a lot of good flavor, earthy. Batter is crunchy with the soybean paste. Awesome combination and so fantastic. See you next time. Bye.